Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Crumbl cookies promo codes. So in order to do it, you just have to simply open new tab in your web browser and you need to simply search for Crumbl cookies promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that might be providing you 60% off coupon codes, and this one is providing you $25 off. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab, and then you just have to hop on to these websites one by one in order to find the best coupon codes for you. Now over here you can see that on worthpenny.com website you will see a bunch of different coupon codes associated with Crumbl cookies. So over here you just have to simply select the code in which you are interested. So click on the show code option, and this is the coupon code that you can use. You can enjoy up to $25 off with this promo code for 2025. So you need to copy this code from here, then you need to go back to crumblcookies.com website, and from here you just have to simply order your favorite cookies, and at the time of checkout you need to simply use this promo code, and this way you will be able to find Crumbl cookies promo codes in 2025. You can even try on some other websites as well, like I opened this one as well, so you can try to find the coupon codes from different websites and you are done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.